Hi friends, in this video, let's see this question on single phase induction motor. Very important question and expected question for every GATE exam. Every competitive exam, this is the expected question. Listen carefully. A single phase 230 volts 50 Hz 4 pole capacitor start induction motor has the following standstill impedances. Main winding impedance they given, auxiliary winding impedance also given, the value of the starting capacitor, required to produce 90 degrees phase difference between the currents in the main winding and auxiliary windings will be. How much capacitance we required to get the 90 degrees phase difference? Once see here, for example, this is a capacitor start induction motor, right? This is my main winding and this is my auxiliary winding. Here capacitor is connected because this is a capacitor start winding, and here we are applying 230 volts 50 Hz supply source. This is the main winding and this is the auxiliary winding, and this is the capacitor C, and this is the centrifugal switch, and main winding impedance they given Zm is equals to 6 plus J4, auxiliary winding impedance also given 8 plus J6 they given. Now check the vector diagram for this. This is voltage V. This V is common for both because these are in parallel. And here the current is Im. This Im is lagging. This Im is lagging to the voltage because pure inductor. And this is the auxiliary winding current Ia. Actually, this Ia leading to the voltage because this is capacitor. XC is greater than XA. XC is greater than XA. So here this is in leading load. Now, if this angle is 90 degrees, what is this XC? What is this XC? Not only XC, not they asked XC, they asked C. What is the capacitance we have to add to get 90 degrees between them? For example, this is theta M, this is theta A. Theta M plus theta A should be equals to 90 degrees. What is theta M? Theta M is the tan inverse of Xm by Rm plus theta A is the tan inverse of Xc minus Xa by Ra. Xc minus Xa by Ra. Then only 90 degrees is possible. This should be equals to 90 degreas. Tan inverse of A plus tan inverse of B. Tan inverse of A plus tan inverse of B. Tan inverse of A plus B. A plus B. Sorry, A plus B. Tan inverse of A plus B by 1 minus AB. Tan inverse of A plus B by 1 minus AB is equals to 90 degrees. Bring this tan inverse in this side. Bring this tan inverse in this side. So tan inverse of 90, tan 90. Tan 90 nothing but infinite, nothing but 1 by 0. 1 by 0. If you calculate this cross multiplication and find the XC from this, we can get XC is equals to from this XA plus RA RM by XM. This is the formula you should remember, and don't do all these calculations again in your exam. You have to substitute all the values here. That is very difficult to solve it. That's why I simplified this equation. The simplified equation is XC is equals to XA plus RA RM by XM. This is the capacitance required to get the 90 degrees. So tell me, what is XC value from the equation? XA is the 6. 6 plus RA is the 8 multiplied with RM, main winding resistance, and main winding reactance. So the answer is 6 plus 12, 18 ohms. Be careful. This is the 18 ohms is the capacitive reactance we required here. But what we want, according to question, what we want, the capacitor required. How much capacitor required? We know XC is equals to 1 by omega C. C is equals to 1 by XC, 1 by 2 pi F and XC. XC is the 18. If you calculate this one, you can get the answer 176.84 microfarads. 176.84 microfarads. Option A is the correct answer. What is that? XC is equal to 1 by 2 pi FC. 2 pi FC, I want this C. So C is equal to 1 by 2 pi XC. XC 18 and frequency 50. And if you solve this, you will get the answer 176.84 microfarads. 176.84 microfarads. Option A is 100% correct answer. This is very important question. We must expect it. This is the expected question again and again in every competitive exams. Right? So this is the question. You should remember this formula, shortcut formula. Directly you can get the answer. XC, the capacitance required to get the 90 degrees is equals to XA plus RA/RM by XM. By solving this equation by cross multiplication. Right? Understood? Thank you.